Okay, here it is. We're coming out of the 330 building. Hi, Richard. I'm making a video of the blizzard of 2011. We were out last night. We have a whole many clips of last night. We went out twice during it.
Well, you know, this ain't nothing compared to 67.
Wow. All right, here we go. Out the door. Well, this is what it looks like. You can see the snow coming down. There's not many cars out even still. The snow is really coming down. The wind is not as bad as it was last night. Let's walk, you see someone coming down the street with skis. I guess they need to ski down Diversey. Some lady walking. Look at the gusts going by. You see, I'm walking up toward the corner of Diversey and Sheridan, where we couldn't even walk last night. It was really bad. At least now the wind is not so bad, even though the snow. And look how the cars are. The snow is up to the tires of the cars. They could not get out even if they wanted to. Here comes people walking toward me. Okay, let's go to the corner of Diversey and Sheridan and see the difference from last night to now. We couldn't even walk down the street last night. It was horrible. Snow was hitting me from everywhere. There's not many cars out. Here's the snow really high along the building, the ledge of the building. There's the club. I think it's the Elks Club or something across there. I don't know what it's called, but there it is. You can't even see it. And I'm almost right exactly on the corner. This is like not very good. There's the taxi. That was Save's taxi stuck there last night. Has not moved. Cannot get out. It is stuck there. Look at the snow drifts. Here's the street lights. Here's the street sign. Sheridan and Diversey. This is where I was last night. You can't even see in front of you. It's still white out there. Wind blowing at me. There's people skiing down the street. There they go. You see some people waiting for a bus. I don't know when a bus is going to come. There's the snow and it's all in my face now. I'm walking up the Sheridan now toward the 340 lobby. You see nothing. It's desolate. It's desolate. Let's go into the lobby and we'll interview the doorman here and see how long he's been here for. I believe he's been here all night. Into the lobby. Hi, Perry. Okay, here's Perry. He's been here all night since midnight, and it took him 2 hours to walk from the Belmont train station in the blizzard last night.
Yes, it certainly did.
Oh, that was...
I don't know what time I'm leaving here today.
Wow.
Hopefully I'm out of here that before noon.
Snow around. You can't even see. This is how bad it is. Snow is just whipping in your face. I'll see you around the corner real quick. I can't look at it very long. Okay, here it is. You have to walk this way. I'm walking through the snow. Look how deep it is.
Crazy snow.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I'm in the little store. How did you get home last night? You did it?
I did.
You stayed here?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Now I'm walking the opposite way toward the lake. We couldn't even make it to the lake last night. It was really bad. All right. There's some cars out and about, but look at the wind blowing. Look at the wind. You can't even see out there. I don't see any cars, anybody, anywhere. At least I can walk here. Yesterday we couldn't even make it. We barely made it this far. We're heading toward the lake. I'm just going to go up to the corner and pan around and we'll see what we can see. I don't know. Look at this. Look at out these cars. They're never getting out of this parking spot. Never. They are so snowed in. This is it. I'm right at the corner of Lakeshore Drive and Diversey right now, where there's not a thing in the snow. Untouched by car or foot. Happy blizzard!
And then you can take a picture of me.
Okay. Now this is the aftermath the next morning. Oh, look at the red eye sign got blown down. Look at that. Huh. Here's more people walking by. Hi, happy blizzard.
See, I remember the 1967.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. I was 7 years old. Look at all this snow. You can't even see. You see some people walking towards Diversey driving range. The car is way out there. You can't see anything. Here comes some people walking. Happy blizzard! I'm gonna head back to the house now. Now you can see the light pole that broke down. Here they are, having a break.
Break time.
Break time.
Hey, Barb.
Hi.
Get a close-up of me, Barb.
I got you already. All right, I'm done. Recording. Here we are on the roof of the 330 building. Look at this. This is what we got on here. Here we go. There's the buildings. You can hardly see them.
Look at the streets to show how
It's
abandoned
a
they are.
whiteout, yes. You can't even see Lakeshore Drive. It's over there. There's no cars. It's totally shut down. Here you go. Now this is, what street is this, honey?
Stockton.
This is Stockton. Look at it.
Show them the harbor.
Not a car in sight. Wait, and what's that street right there?
Lakeview.
It's Lakeview. Wrightwood is up there. You can't see anything. Here's the harbor. I don't know if you could see it or not. You can't see anything.
Okay, well.
Here's the deck. Okay. That's it. That's all we could see. There's the park.